Hi, I'm Jim. I'm the factory manager here at Austrak Wagga Wagga with one of our 4FD115 Toyota forklifts.
I'm Lara from Austrak Wagga and I am a production supervisor here. We use this to transport all our finished sleepers around site and also load, unload trucks and transport any raw materials. 300 kilos of sleepers, so a combined lift of about 7 tonne. The Toyota handles that, no problems. We do all the servicing here on site. There is 2 TMHA technicians in Wagga. The TMHA technicians work in with us and typically they can do that after hours for us, so there's no impact on site operations. Certainly makes my job easier. The people from Toyota Materials Handling, Australia were really good at supporting us in terms of working out what the best option was. Had a Toyota engineer come to site and actually look at the weights we're lifting, the activities that we do, and then basically tailor the package. From my perspective, Toyota is the best fit for us. They provide the whole range of units or size of units that we need. Yeah, the safety systems are excellent. That whole customer service piece is very good and they're competitive on price. Reliability, fantastic, so I'd thoroughly recommend Toyota. When I first drove this Toyota forklift, I actually went into my manager and asked him if I could step back as a supervisor and become the full-time forklift operator. It's that good. Cut.